Hello everyone, welcome back today to my channel. Mother's Day is just around the corner, so I wanted to share with you guys how to make this easy and simple DIY Mother's Day card. Before we begin this video, I'd like to apologize for not posting any videos for a little bit. I've just been really sick, so I wanted to take some time off. Anyways, I'm feeling much better now, so yeah. Okay, let's get started. For this project, you will need gray cardstock, white cardstock, pattern paper, glue stick, ruler, scissors, a craft knife, and lastly silver elastic cord, which is optional. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out my card panel from my pattern cardstock. It is going to be measuring 4 by 6. Once I'm done cutting that out, I'm going to cut out my card base, which is going to measure 5 by 7 inches. I'm going to score it and then I'm going to fold it. Now I'm going to set my card base aside. Going back to my card panel, I am going to cut out a window from it, leaving an inch border. I'm using an X-Acto knife just because I don't want a hole in my middle piece. I want the middle piece as well. Now before I glue it on, I'm going to take the middle piece and I'm going to glue it on to the same gray cardstock. Now it's time to assemble all of the pieces together. I'm going to take my card base. On top of that, I'm going to lay my frame, and then on top of that, I'm going to lay down my middle piece. I'm using a glue stick to attach all of these to the card base. Alright, once I got it done, I decided to lay some books on top of it, just so it would dry flat. Now I'm going to take my silver elastic cord and I'm going to wrap it around the side just to add some extra decoration. You don't need to add this. It serves no actual purpose. I just wanted to add it just for decorational purposes. And I glued it on using a piece of tape, but if you want you can always glue it on. But I just don't mind the pieces of tape. And there I have it. All there is left to do is to add my sentiment, which I'm going to cut out a banner from a piece of white cardstock. And that concludes the project for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye!